What's up mga Ka-Sneakerheads? Welcome to another video. Today marks the introduction of a new series which is called Balik-Tanaw. Balik-Tanaw is basically, in English, it's throwback or blast from the past. I-review ko yung mga shoes na I picked up from previous years. What's a better way to kick off the new series with a review of the Adidas Futurecraft 4D Sneakersnstuff consortium. Okay, so this shoe first released back in June of 2018. Exclusive siya sa SNS or sa Sneakersnstuff since it's a collaboration. I believe it retailed for around $450, which is around 18,000 pesos. Right now, this is going for, I believe, 1,000 to 1,500 Canadian dollars, which is equivalent to 40 to 60k Philippine peso. So, medyo mahal na siya ngayon. Kaya nga naman kung ikaw ay swerte sa isa sa mga nakakuha nito nung release, good job. Now, let's get over to the construction of the shoe. Let's start off with the upper. The upper is constructed mainly of prime knit. It doesn't have any cage around it. You're gonna feel like you're just wearing socks, pretty much. The overall silhouette of the shoe looks like derived from an Ultra Boost. You can see on the heel tab of the shoe, I think that's the only hard material sa sapatos. The material seems to be like felt encompassed by an embroidery, like a silver embroidery right there. Here, going in the middle portion, you can see the 3 stripes. Maybe sa lighting ko lang to, kaya makikita nyo yung burgundy or maroon na 3 stripes. But if you're outside or if you're under normal lighting condition, usually naka-disguise itong burgundy 3 stripes. You won't see it, basically. You won't see it. Going to the toe box of the shoe, the weave is composed of that burgundy color and navy blue color. Going now to the medial side of the shoe, pretty much mirrors the lateral side. The only thing that is not present on the medial side is the embroidery. Going to the back of the shoe, man, you can see that's so meaty right there. Over here, the heel tab of the shoe is pretty thick. You can see that there's actually padding. It holds your feet in place, but it doesn't really give you, maximum support. Like what I've said, the shoe feels like a sock when you wear it. That loose fit, most of the time when you're wearing the shoe, you can see the top of the shoe like that. So, on the top of the shoe, medyo simple siya tingnan. Yung default place niya is color navy blue with 3M speckles on it. So this shoe is actually one-piece construction. If you can see the tongue, hindi siya nakahiwalay from the rest of the shoe. Dito sa taas, meron kang SNS branding dun sa tab niya. Sa kabilang sapatos, nandoon ang Adidas branding. So it's a nice touch right there. Punch hole doon sa may tongue tab. It's colored as the same as no midsole, parang aero green. Going to the midsole of the shoe, ito ang famous na 4D technology. Ang trademark na Adidas is the Futurecraft technology. Nakipag-partner ang Adidas sa company sa Silicon Valley sa LA called Carbon. Basically, what they use here is digital light synthesis. What is digital light synthesis? Let's not make it complicated. They manufactured the midsole using a resin and a light, and then they pull out the whole shoe, they pull out the whole midsole, and it's like this for some reason when they pull it out. When we go on the bottom of the shoe, so sa outsole ng sapatos, Adidas used Continental rubber outsole, very grippy. Ang gusto ko dito is the outsole is the same color as the upper. Now we go inside the shoe. There's a cutout or like a window inside the shoe that reveals the 4D midsole. Ang kagandahan nito is if on summer, if you're wearing it, you're gonna have a lot of air coming in, freshening your feet, your stinky feet. On the left pair, you will have the Adidas branding and the SNS branding. And on the right pair, you will have that consortium logo. Hindi magpapahuli ang Adidas sa set of extra lace. Meron tayong burgundy or maroon extra lace with speckles. As far as the construction goes, that's pretty much about it. Size. If you guys are planning to pick up one of these shoes, I would say go true to size. Sometimes there's a difference between Nike and Adidas. For example, myself, sa Nike, I'm a 10.5, and for some reason sa Adidas, I'm an 11. I picked this up in my true size 11 in Adidas, and fits me well. If your feet sits on the half sizes, go up half a size. And now to the on-fit portion. Now, to one of the most exciting parts of the video. I-relate natin yung shoe based on comfort, design, is it worth the nod? So, first, comfort. Yung sapatos, pare, komportable. Might not be as comfortable as Boost initially, but when you start wearing it, when you start abusing the shoe, you will actually feel the difference on the midsole. It does become softer. It actually does become softer. And then, man, the upper of the shoe, prime knit, is so freaking comfortable. This shoe, in terms of comfort, I would rate it 9 out of 10. Design. Simple lang yung design niya. Wala masyadong arte. So, very functional lahat. You have the 3 stripes. You have the midsole. There's no cage around the shoe. Overall, the design is actually very nice, you know. It's very classic. The colorway is very genuine. We will rate it probably 8 out of 10. Now, guys, is it worth the nod? For worth the nod, I think I would give it 5 out of 10. Hindi kayo masyado makaka-attract ng attention pag suot nyo tong sapatos na to. The only thing that I would think people will look at the shoe is because of the midsole. You know, kakaiba syempre yung midsole. The shoe, majority of it is navy blue, so I don't think you would have that much turning heads. But still, you know, you will start a conversation. So what made me buy the shoe is collection. Before I want to start collecting 4D, the first 4D that I fell in love with was the Invincible 4D right over here. It's a white upper, very very nice. It's a light colored shoe, but when they released this one, man, this is my favorite among the 4 collaborations with Invincible, Foot Patrol, Kith, and I believe SNS. And last portion of the video is how to style. Katulad ng suot ko doon sa on-fit portion, I was wearing the Nike Tech Fleece Slim Fit jogger pants or sweatpants. Para siyang sock-like fit, so it hugs around your ankle. The best pants to wear, skinny pants, you know, like a slim pants. For the upper, just really anything, like normal t-shirt, or you can wear like a jacket. You can also wear this with shorts. I've actually seen people wear this in the beach, bro, with shorts. Okay, so that's about it, mga ka-sneakerheads. Thank you ulit sa panonood ng video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and please subscribe to my channel so that we can, you know, start pumping out more content. We have all these shoes to review, so stay tuned. Please subscribe and turn on your bell notification. I haven't said that, but yes, please turn on your bell notifications. And thank you for tuning in. This is, like I said, this is the first video of the many for this type of series, Balik-Tanaw. Oh yeah, by the way, please follow me on my IG at mang.kolokoy, and Twitter. All the information is below, so please follow me there. And hanggang sa susunod guys, thank you.